What's up, everyone? Today's recipe is Bakhoor honey. Nah. I'm joking. It's not Bakhoor honey. I'm gonna burn some Bakhoor today. So that one is everyone is saying why I'm not making video about the Ramadan. How is Ramadan going on, everyone? Hopefully it's going well. And don't feel like I'm making videos, so just making one to sake of making videos. So that one we got it from Dubai, I think. It's gone dust and everything because it's every year Ramadan time we use. So this is what you look like. This is the fine one. Smell is so nice, amazing. So this one we're gonna burn that one. So that one is quite nice box, big box. I like this stuff. The wood, let me see. I think this one is like a big chunk. Let me show you guys. Can you see? It's a big chunk, and the other one is small. So I'm gonna use both of them. So one piece, that one, and some of them. Oh wow, the smell is amazing. And that one we bought, like you can buy the electric one, or we bought the charcoal one. And this thing, the charcoal, that people use for shisha, this thing you can use it. I got one open, the old one, so I'm gonna use one of them. Let's start with this one. That's the shisha thing. So you put it in there, and it comes one tray in there. So always wrap it with the foil paper, otherwise it's gonna get stain of burning, and it's gonna go in there. Just put it there and we fire it up. So you can use one of them. Yeah, this one, but it's gonna take time. So best thing I do, I just put on the cooker and easy. I'll show you one second. Yeah, so I just put on the cooker and turn the gas on. Grease or anything. Just make sure it's got fire everywhere. When it's fire up, you're gonna see the red color. It's gonna be nice reddish color. And you see a little bit burning there. So the whole thing is gonna get reddish. So that thing is okay, it's got burned now. Put some of them small one first. Wow. So it started smelling. Can you smell? You guys can't smell in it. So. And I'm gonna put one big chunk on the top. The one. So it's gonna be 2 in 1. The big chunk on the top. It's gonna last quite long. So two combo smell. Come to me. Whoa. This is amazing. My mom had buy it in Starbucks. Oh, the amazing smell. Make sure if you got small children and animals in the house, so you make sure you put in the very safe place. Don't put anywhere. Whole house gonna be smelling. So you just take it everywhere. Anywhere you want. Just take them. The Bakhoor time, Bakhoor time, Bakhoor. Ramadan.